Guys, today we're all gonna see the new stuff that came in Brookhaven. So to first up, let's grab a house. Wait, why is there nothing available? What are you doing, man? You're from the update, right? Never mind. But let's just... Okay, finally we found the house. Wait, let's actually grab this one. Now this will grow pretty soon. Dude, this is very weird. I remember there's a water bucket in there. I just don't know how to access it. Look at this, guys. Let's check the new items. I already checked this before. But anyway. Let's actually try this one first. This is new. You can carry players around it, but... Dude, why is it so much players right now? Anyway, let's see the new shovel. Yes, I've seen this before. This is very weird indeed because look, there's a dirt hole, but this is supposed to be a stone, right? It's kind of funny, but we can also remove it. Wait, why is it not working? Okay, it worked. Now we can throw the water around it. Hey, let's water the plants here. Wait, we can harvest it now? Yes. Don't mind the dog. She's just playing around. Anyway, let's go inside. Wait, can we set my house on fire? Where's the fire game pass? I need to activate it. Okay, it should set on fire person. Yes. Can this work though? I think it's working. But it takes a lot of time. And I'm not gonna do it though. Okay, thankfully it's not set good anymore. Wait, let's actually go upstairs. Look, this is kind of tight, especially when I'm sleeping. Yeah, if I accidentally jump, yeah, I might hit the roof. And look, there's a horse right here. This is taken for on some house. It feels like the market. But let's just wash my hands. It's so dirty. I haven't washed my hands since 2026. Not in real life, okay? Dude, this is pretty weird, dude. Why is there a stone right here? Wait, it's actually a table. But we can climb here. What is this? Anyway, let's work at the nuclear plant later. Anyway, let's not talk about the nuclear plant because I'm gonna posting it on a week because I'm going to have examinations in real life and it's Saturday. Wait, let me actually prank everyone and dig right here. Wait, I'm doing it the opposite way. Wait, we can set our house on fire again. Wait, let me actually swim here. It's very, very cold. Okay, let's just go here. And go to our house, which is set on fire. Then we take up the fire. Yes, that was like magic, lol. Anyway, let's open the fridge. I wanna eat. Especially pizza. Wait, let's actually see the props because I haven't showed you it yet. Let's go here. Let's see the things new. Wait, why is this blocking my way? Okay, those are all the things. I think we can water our plants here. Wait a second. Speaking of plants, did Brookhaven become grow a garden all of the sudden? Just because of this update? This is so funny. Grow a garden will be furious. Because, yeah, they are not even on the top 10 most popular games. Even though it's very close to being an admin ABS. Hey, let's just go put them. All the mannequins. I know this thingy. It's pretty weird. You can spin it so you know who to pick. Which one of us? You! Oh, you. I just cannot say anything because I don't have the age verified. Especially I hate it. It keeps on going here. Anyway, look at them. They're growing already. Those are very fast plants to grow. Yeah, I think they're even faster than carrots. Let's just see what everything here. Here is the bathroom, which Bob's cousin actually pooped on. But let's just go here. And if we go right here, we can put clothes on it. Wait. I think there's a swimming pool right here. Oh. Now speaking of swimming pools, I really don't know if it's here. Yeah, I just don't know how they put a pool here. But if they put a pool here and someone needs to dress up, this is the perfect spot. Here you can dress up here, then you're done. Wait, let me change clothes. There we go, man. This feels pretty weird. Whew, let's go upstairs again and check the bathroom. This is very cool. Let's take a bath. Yeah. Is there any cars? New emotes? No? Dude, this is ridiculous. They added 67 on December 2025. It's very close to the Great Meme Reset, which happened right now. I don't know why they think it's a good idea. Anyway, let's switch account to see the premium house. Okay, now we're here. Let's just wait for this. And now let's go. Wait, let's actually go to the farm. Can we put a house there? Nope. So let's just go somewhere else. Here, wait. My favorite number is 17, so I will go for it. Wait, why is there no? Oh. Never mind. I think it ran out. For those who don't know, this account can get ads just for free things. Oh, never mind. It has now. Wait, let's check if the house actually has. Oh, man. Wait, let's actually see the new 67 emote. Bro, what do you mean? Okay, fine. Let's just go to the nuclear power plant. I'm just kidding. So that is, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, I promise I will actually go to the nuclear plant, and I don't know if I will invade it, but I will do some weird stuff there. So that's it. Bye bye.